Cincinnati 911. What is the address of your emergency?
As an emergency communication center, our staff are presented with the unexpected every day. We want them to have the knowledge and the tools and the confidence when that call comes in to be able to deliver the best service that we can. Our organization, like many, has a mountain of policies for people to sign, and many of those policies are situations that you may not encounter for quite some time. It's a little bit of a sign it and forget it situation. When we heard about what PowerRecall could do with leveraging AI to help keep staff fresh on content, that was something that was very exciting to us. An example for us recently was meeting as a leadership team. We talked about an issue we were having with welfare checks. Within minutes, we could pull that policy up and generate recall cards using the product and deploy that to staff. Something that would have taken us hours in the past was able to be done in the meeting itself, where the issue was identified and out the door before that meeting was over.
I realized the recall calls were working when I had a vandalism call, and I had just taken a recall card about vandalism and damage. I didn't even have to think about it. I immediately knew the difference. The recall cards are simple, they're fun, it doesn't take very long, and then I'm more confident when I take these calls because I do my recall cards.
Our legacy ways of delivering continuing education to staff were one size fits all. Whether it was a training bulletin or an in-person class, we were delivering the same content to everyone, and that may not have been what you as an individual needed. With PowerRecall, the system is able to automatically and dynamically adjust what's being delivered to staff based on how they're doing.
I think that PowerRecall has really helped us as an agency because it's so engaging. When you're sending out trainings that are a PowerPoint or a video, I wish that this was not the case because I have such a passion for training, but people don't care. People don't care if it's just a PowerPoint, but when they have to be engaged and it's like playing a game, they really learn that way.
Looking at the data has been exciting. Seeing the performance gains in such a short time, I knew that we would see improvement. I was confident in that, but I had no idea that it would be as dramatic as it was. Continuous improvement of performance for us is important because our call takers are saving lives, and having innovative tools to improve our performance is part of that formula.